January 19th, 2026. A 72-inch sewer line collapsed near Clara Barton Parkway along the Potomac River, spilling hundreds of millions of gallons of untreated wastewater into the water. The Potomac Interceptor, a massive sewer line built in 1962, carries wastewater from Virginia and Maryland suburbs to the Blue Plains Advanced Wastewater Treatment Plant. When it failed, sewage bypassed treatment and flowed directly into the river. Early testing showed E. coli and other pathogens spiking far above safe levels. In some places, bacteria were thousands of times greater than EPA contact standards. A bypass pumping system was installed to divert wastewater around the break and prevent further overflows. Nearly 3 weeks have passed with no new sewage entering the river. Crews are cleaning debris and preparing the damaged pipe for repair. Federal, state, and local officials continue monitoring water quality daily, while DC Health has lifted its recreational advisory, allowing boating and fishing in certain sections. Swimming remains restricted, and water quality can still fluctuate with rainfall and snowmelt. Sampling teams are now testing both water and sediment because bacteria can collect in riverbed soils and re-enter the water column. That ongoing monitoring will help officials understand longer-term impacts on fish, shellfish, and public health. Maryland is planning to lift a shellfish harvesting closure. Virginia's advisory is still under review, but scientists warn that contaminants, from bacteria to chemicals and excess nutrients, can affect ecosystems long after water quality tests appear normal. The break exposed a larger issue: aging wastewater infrastructure across the Chesapeake watershed. This spill has become a case study in how vital infrastructure failure can impact health, commerce, ecology, and trust. Repair work is on track to be completed by mid-March, with environmental rehabilitation following. But long-term vigilance will be needed as the region watches bacteria trends rise and fall with seasons and storms. The Potomac story is still unfolding, and its waters are still telling a larger tale about infrastructure, pollution, and resilience. If the water remembers it, we'll tell it. Subscribe to River Realm Life for more Chesapeake stewardship reports and watershed history.